Hey everyone, welcome back to Gaming for Beginners. So on this video, I'm going to show you how to delete friends on 8-ball pool. So let's begin. So you must have your friends that are added from your Facebook or through online while playing 8-ball pool. You must add them, exchange gifts, or even have challenges. So here on the bottom, tap on this friends icon. So as you can see, here are my friend list. So here on the top you can see friends, suggested friends and activity. So unless they are your friends, you cannot delete them. So in order to delete any one of your friends, just tap on this cross button on the top. Now select yes, so they'll be removed. So this is very easy and quick. Just select the person again and tap on yes and they'll be removed. So this is how you remove or delete friends in 8-ball pool. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.